I want to first show you a shot of the India Gate. And you can barely see it. Yes, it is covered in a blanket of smog, but like you rightly pointed out, that the AQI levels have slightly dipped and it's at a 386 if I was to show on the app, the Suffer app. Behind me, the construction activity at the Parliament area in the national capital as well. Some anti-smog guns and water sprinkling is taking place. But let me also talk to a group of enthusiastic cyclists here from the Noida cycling group who have been here early morning, this Sunday morning here cycling. And while they are waving, I want to talk to them and I want to go to them to speak about the alarming levels at which the pollution problem is just increasing in the national capital. So much so that the Supreme Court has had to take note of it and the Delhi Chief Minister has had to announce a shutdown of the schools and a stop in construction activities. I want to begin by asking you, sir, that you are a cyclist, you're out here cycling. I'm sure you have calculated your risk factors as well, but how has the pollution really impacted you given that you're into a fitness activity?
Good morning, so Ritesh here from NECC. So pre-Diwali, we were a regular rider. From every morning we 30 to 40 kilometer ride, but now post-Diwali, like looking at pollution level, it's really impacted us, and we are trying to at least make it alternative days, and it is impacting very badly to us for our health.
Right. So pollution has in fact impacted, exercise cycling enthusiasts like them. I want to ask you, the Delhi Chief Minister has announced a shutdown in schools and a stop in construction activities for the next 2 or 3 days. How do you think has this pollution problem risen over the years? I'm assuming you every year you come around this time for your cycling activities.
We do. But every measure that Mr. Kejriwal or the surroundings chief ministers have taken, they've been ad hoc measures. There is no long-term concrete solution for this problem. Even in Diwali, there was a ban on bursting of firecrackers, but the pollution levels rose through the roof. We did not come out to cycle for the next 4 or 5 days after Diwali because the levels were severe, and we had to take a break from that. However, we do need some sort of physical activity. Thankfully, Delhi and NCR region has a great green cover, so we try and cycle in as much green patches as possible.
Right.
And we're trying to manage in whatever way we can, but we do feel symptoms like eyes start watering.
Yes. I just quickly want to ask a lady here, last question, is that a lot of people who exercise come out in the open, jogging in the areas, they get a lot of flack for it. They in a way people say, why do you need to come out and exercise when the pollution levels are so bad? What do you think about that?
आप ऐसा समझ सकते हैं कि पोल्यूशन तो ये रहेगा, बिकॉज हम ना कोई चीज़ें सेलिब्रेट करना छोड़ते हैं, ना हम बाहर आना छोड़ते हैं, और हम छोटी छोटी चीज़ों के लिए हमेशा गाड़ियाँ निकालते हैं. मीन्स लाइक वी यूज़ कार, वी यूज़ एवरी टाइम यूज़ बाइक. तो हम ये चीज़ें छोड़ेंगे तो ही हम रेगुलर बाहर आ पाएंगे. मीन्स लाइक पोल्यूशन फ्री. अगर आपको पोल्यूशन फ्री एटमॉस्फेयर चाहिए तो आपको ये मीन्स लाइक साइकिलिंग ऑप्ट करनी पड़ेगी या छोटी चीज़ों के लिए साइकिल्स ऑप्ट करनी पड़ेगी.
Clearly, cycling is something that the enthusiasts here are saying will be the way forward eventually if the pollution problem really continues to rise.